So I'm here doing a remodel for a bathroom. We've got a box that was made by a local cabinet company. We're gonna reface it, and I can show you how easy it is to reface. I'm gonna run a nice sharp knife right across the edge, get rid of anything that could cause a problem. I've got my 4 stiles cut here. We're gonna stick it on the top. We're gonna run it down, and it's literally as simple as that. It's like putting a piece of duct tape on a cabinet. And it always helps to have a helper because you can do it twice as fast. Rubber mallet, hinge. These are gonna go in here with just enough to set this thing nice and smooth and tight. That's it. The hinge is fully adjustable all the way around. So if you don't get it perfect, you can adjust it. Hold this flush with the bottom of the cabinet. Let's get the rest of these installed. So now all we lack is putting on our drawer fronts. We got our slides in. They are beautiful, full extension, soft close. So we're gonna start in the middle. This center one is just a false front. That's how easy it is. Let's go to the next project.